How to fix Persona 5 Royal crashing on your PC. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you need to go ahead and simply press Windows plus I to open up your settings. Inside your scroll down, tap on Display. Inside Display, scroll down to Graphics and then simply tap onto it. Inside here, you need to go ahead and simply tap on the search bar and then search for Persona 5 Royal. Tap on this drop down and then set the GPU preferences to high performance. Once that's done, you need to go ahead and simply tap on the Start menu and then search for Windows Security. You can simply click on Virus and Threat Protection. And just like that, simply select Manage Settings. Now, add or remove exclusion. And now inside here, click on Add an exclusion. After that, select Folder. And now choose your Persona 5 Royal game folder. This prevents Windows Security from interfering with game files. Once you are done, launch the game again and check if the crashing issue is fixed or not. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.